NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 10. Given that sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of alpha plus beta is option A 0 degrees, option B 30 degrees, option C 60 degrees, or option D 90 degrees. Let us find the answer. We are given that sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 by 2. These are standard trigonometric values. If sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2, then alpha is 30 degrees. If cos beta is 1 by 2, then beta is 60 degrees. Now let us find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha is 30 degrees plus beta is 60 degrees. 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. From the given options, we have option D as 90 degrees. Therefore, given that sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of alpha plus beta is 90 degrees.